Welcome to the walkthrough of frequently made mistakes for assignment 1 in this summer's CS 3251 course. First, there's no need to add additional methods or constructors. In particular, you don't need to have a copy constructor for the simple array assignment. Moreover, this implementation is incorrect since there's actually no copy being made. We'll be covering copy constructors in later assignments. Let's turn our attention now to a problem I saw with the release method in simple array. Please don't delete marray here. This is causing the regression tests to fail. Instead, simply store the current value of marray into a local variable, set marray to null pointer, and then return that local value as the result from the release method. Let's take a look at a couple of problems I saw with reset implementations. First, please make sure to check whether marray doesn't equal RHS before you perform any of these operations. You don't want to delete something if the RHS has the same value as this, because you're going to be making a mess. Down here, we have a similar problem. Once again, first make sure that you check to see if marray doesn't equal RHS before you do anything. And then you need to delete marray. And after that, then you go ahead and assign marray to RHS. But please only do any of those operations if marray doesn't equal RHS. Then finally, we get to some problems I saw with the swap methods. This implementation of swap is just too complicated and incorrect. All you need to do is just use standard swap to swap marray and RHS marray. And it's also not strictly necessary to check first whether this doesn't equal the address of RHS. It doesn't hurt anything to do it, but it's probably overkill. And then down here, this implementation is too complicated as well for a slightly different reason. So what you want to do here is replace all of this code with a simple call to the standard swap algorithm, and just one call there. That'll take care of everything. So those are the frequently made mistakes that I saw when I reviewed assignment 1 submissions. Please make sure you fix those very soon and resubmit them. Take a look at the wiki page to find out when the resubmissions are due. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them on Piazza.